Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, there are all sorts of options for where to put your retirement savings, but for a lot of people, the big question is, when can I afford to retire? That's a huge question, Calvin. So how do we help people find an answer?
Sure. Well, the main answer is build a comprehensive written retirement income plan that tracks all the sources of income, how you should claim on Social Security, if you're eligible for a pension, should you include a survivor benefit, tracking all the assets that you have and putting those assets in the right drawdown order based on tax status. That's something people don't always think about. Generating income. The stock market is not always designed for stable, predictable income, so you may want to look at other tools in order to do that and make sure that it's adjusted for inflation for as long as you live. And then really planning for a rising tax rate environment is critical because we're likely to see that in the future. Also, inflation may be higher than it has been in the previous decade, and incorporating inflation in there as well as even healthcare expenses.
Boy, so there's a lot of moving pieces here. That's why you have a comprehensive kit for our viewers today.
That's right. We've developed this kit, including the Retirement Roadmap book and a series of guides to talk about taxes, inflation, market risk, to help you really navigate this new retirement. So whether you've just retired, you're nearing retirement, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will be very valuable for you.
So you can call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit and learn if the time is right for you to retire. Calvin, thanks so much for joining me again today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.